In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile invoices, bills, and manage spend and receive money transactions in Xero efficiently. This process is essential for maintaining accurate financial records, and with Xero, it becomes a streamlined task. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Enter your email and password, then click Log In. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. Here is where all your financial information is managed. Now look for the option labelled Reconcile Items on your dashboard and click on it. Xero has a fantastic feature in that it automatically suggests matches for your bank statement lines based on the information it has. If a match is suggested, you simply click OK to confirm the reconciliation. There might be instances where Xero doesn't automatically suggest a match. Don't worry, you can use the Find and Match feature. This allows you to search for transactions by name, reference, or amount to find the right match. Once you locate the right transactions, select the checkbox for each invoice, bill, or expense that corresponds with the bank statement line. When you're confident with the selections, click Reconcile to complete the process. In cases where no match is found, you'll need to take a different approach by going to the Business section. Navigate to Invoices and click on New Invoice. Here you have the opportunity to create an invoice that matches the transaction you're looking to reconcile. Be precise with the invoice details to ensure that it aligns with the transaction details. After filling in all necessary information, click on Approve to save the invoice. Once you have your invoice ready, head back to the Reconcile Items section. Click on the Match button and select the invoice that best matches the transaction. Review your selections carefully to make sure everything lines up before you proceed. Once satisfied, click on Reconcile to finalize the process. Finally, click Confirm to ensure everything is set accurately in the system. This step is crucial because it verifies that the changes you've made are correctly registered in Xero. And there you have it, a quick and thorough way to handle reconciling invoices, bills, and transactions in Xero. Remember, keeping up-to-date and accurate financial records is critical to managing your business's finances effectively. With these steps, you should be well on your way to achieving just that. Thanks for joining today's session, and I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one.